Python is known to be much slower than other object-oriented programming languages such as C++ or Java. Today, we're going to be talking about Python's functools.lru cache, a decorator that can significantly speed up your code by caching function results. Stay tuned to the end to see how this works in practice, and let's hop right into it. The LRU Cache decorator is part of the functools module in Python. The acronym LRU stands for least recently used. It works by storing the results of function calls and reusing these results if the same inputs occur again, thereby reducing the execution time of your Python function. Now let's dive into some code. Let's start with a function that takes a bit of time to execute. As an example, we'll use a function that computes the nth Fibonacci number. So as you know, the Fibonacci function has many repeated computations. For instance, when calculating fib of the fifth number, it will calculate fib4 and fib3, but when calculating fib4, it will again calculate fib3 and fib2, so there are many repeated calculations. Now let's use LRU cache to optimize our function. Alright, so here we have used the LRU cache and we set max size to none, which means that it can store results for as many different arguments as it gets called with. Now, every time we call fib to the nth, Python will check if fib n has already been called with the same n value. If it has, Python will use the cache results, and if it hasn't, it will compute the result and store it into the cache. This can result in a significant speedup for functions with heavy computations or slow I/O, and for recursive functions like this one where many repeated computations are made. So that's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed or found it helpful, drop a like down below, drop a comment in the comment section, and we'll catch you in the next one.